Hey Youngsters, happy Sunday. I am here with that promise to do those carrot cake. I said carrot cake pancakes, but we're gonna do a carrot cake waffle instead. Now let's get into it. Okay, so we're doing this the easy way as normal, but you need these crusties sweet cream pancake mix. So we need 2 cups of crusties. We need 1 egg. Third cup of vegetable oil. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And of course, I will have the recipe in the description box below. All right, here's the 1 cup of cold water. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins. Now I have a tablespoon of cinnamon. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna just mix that in. And that's your batter for the waffle. We're gonna set this aside and work on the cream cheese frosting. So I have 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature. And we're going to mix these together till they're nice and creamy. Just want to make sure that all of it is mixed in well. Gonna add some vanilla bean paste. Gonna add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I'm also gonna add a splash of almond extract. Trust me, this just does something with this cream cheese. It's just delicious. Okay, we'll set that aside. So I have this big boy, this commercial waffle maker that I never use because it's as heavy as a KitchenAid. However, I'm doing this for you guys. So I'm just going to put a little oil Brush it around. Dooba-dooba-doo. And then I'm gonna pour this batter in here. Until it's nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna say we're gonna start with 4 minutes. Okay, I cooked this baby for 4 minutes. Now let's get it plated and for that taste test. And now for the taste test. Okay, so I added a little syrup on there. Gonna dip it in the little, y'all, here, take a bite. If y'all don't try this waffle, I just don't know. It's just no other help. I can't help you any further if you just don't try this waffle. This waffle is banging. Bit into the walnut, the carrot, and the raisin. Okay? This is everything. I promise you. And I did add a little carrots on the side just for decoration. I'm not going to eat those, but when I tell you this waffle is everything, it's everything. Like I said, I'm going to put the recipe below. You guys go ahead and try it, and you won't be disappointed. I promise you. All right? So until next video, bye. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know how much you enjoyed it.